Welcome back. Now a look at the political events in the state.
Independent candidate from Naveli, Avartino Furtado, has appealed to the people not to take money from the candidates.
So please,
BJP candidate from Sangye, Subhash Fardesai, has alleged Congress MLA and ministers of having accounts in the Swiss bank. He claims that black money worth 50,000 crore has been stacked in the Swiss bank.
स्विस बँकेन आमच्या गोयच्या मंत्र्यांची आणि आमदाराची खाती जर पळयले जर जाय जवळजवळ 50,000 कोटीचे ही मालमत्ता असा सगळे पेपरांनी आयले असा.
BJP candidate from Kurtsade, Nilesh Kabral, says he has not prepared any election manifesto. He says he wants to work with the people.
आम्ही चितला जेन्ना तुम्ही आशीर्वाद दिवन म्हाका फुडें व्हरतली हांव तुमचेकडे परतून येवन वाठाराची कामां जावन बुजून जी वाठाराक कामाक जाय तीच हांव करतलो हे ताका लागून हो मॅनिफेस्टो ना.
Independent candidate from Saligaon, Trajan Dimalo, says he is the only candidate in the state arrested for violation of code of conduct, while political heavyweights are scot-free even after serious code violations.
I have become the lone person in the entire state of Goa to be arrested for the violation of mode of conduct without citing any rule, when there are heavy charges against so many heavyweights. Nobody has been arrested till this day.
Vijay Sardesai says that people want a change in the government. Vijay is confident of getting more votes than Congress candidate in Fatoda.
Congressic परिवर्तन नाका आशिल्लें पण लोकांक परिवर्तन जाय. And I am confident that as a people's candidate, I will get more votes than as a Congress candidate.
Independent candidate from Santandre, Pradeep Sangodkar, says he is confident of winning the assembly election. Sangodkar also says that he would work for protection of Khazan lands.
दुसरें मेन म्हणजे खाजन लँड आसा पळय ती खाजन लँड फुडें आतां वचपाय आमकां हेजे पावल्या ती फाल्यां समज ती खाजन अशीच उरत तें फुडें गव्हर्मेंट टेक ओवर करून ती खाजन बिल्डरांक विकूंक शकता माफिया आसा पळय तांकां दिवंक शकता हे म्हण ताका लागून म्हाका चडांत चड फास्ट हे ती ग्रोईंग आमचे कल्टिवेट करपाक घेवपाक जाय म्हाका नाल्यार फाल्यां ती रोयना म्हणटाले आनी ते टेक ओवर करतले.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now news from sports. Former India captain Mohammed Azharuddin has said that India should have different captains for different formats of cricket. Azhar's comment comes after India's abject surrender in Test cricket in back-to-back series in England and Australia. Current captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni has done little to convince that he enjoys Test cricket as captain. Dhoni has been criticised for his poor performances with the bat as well, as India suffered whitewashes in England and Australia recently. According to Azhar, India needs immediate change in the leadership in Test.
Azharuddin, who was in the state for campaigning ahead of upcoming elections, feels the time is right for India to go for different captains.
What do you have to say about the current Indian performance, the recent run of form?
Well, I think it's been their form has been very, very poor. I think they need to play players who are performing. I think they need to get the non-performing players out and then maybe give chance to younger players, so that they can get also experience. But I think it's just one of those things where, we have not done well in the test matches, struggling to get into the finals also. But I think there is no quick remedy on this. You just need to have some patience and try and play some new players, which would give them some chance of doing well.
You're a captain who found it at one point of time the team was to not do very well abroad in the abroad conditions. Then slowly Ganguly started winning a few test matches. Dhoni started winning series after that. But suddenly everything seems to have gone in the reverse role. India not only losing series but even getting whitewashed. What do you think is the main reason? Dhoni's captaincy rift in the team? Too much of advertisements of or IPL is the reason?
No, I think just that the players have to perform. The players have to concentrate and take each game as it comes. Because I think it is very difficult to blame one player. But I think as far as Dhoni's captaincy is concerned, I mean he's faltered in the last 8 test matches he's played. So I honestly feel that there should be a captain for each format. a different captain for each format, so that it doesn't put too much pressure on the captain, because the captain, if a captain is there for all the three formats, you have to think differently. So I think we need a change here. So I mean, it's not me who will change the thing, but I think it's the selectors and it's the board to decide.
Do you feel now the other sports like football and hockey, I mean, with a great result in hockey, do you think the fans and the spectators in India are now going to shift their focus from cricket?
But I think I'm very happy for the other sports also, football and hockey, and I'm very happy for the hockey team, who's made it to the Olympics. It's almost after 8 years. It has been a very popular game before cricket, but I think cricket has taken over. And I will be very happy if people will support the other games also, but I think cricket will still stay at the top.
On a personal note, Azhar, 99 matches, how much of a test matches, how much of a ill feeling is it in your heart today? Like, do you feel that 100 test matches, that number kept away from you?
No, I think I don't have any ill feeling. That was my destiny. I was only destined to play 99 test matches, so I played. So I don't think anybody would break my 99 test matches record. Because anybody who would play 99 test matches, I'm sure will play another one test match also. Even if he's not doing well, but they will still make him play. But anyways, I don't have no regrets. I've really enjoyed playing for the country. I've given my best at all times. And I've really enjoyed playing for the country. I think the board has given me so much. I've got no complaints.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sushant Pearl from Panji.
Petroleum Sports Promotion Board are leading after 4 rounds in the Team Chess Championship of Women's 32nd Chess Nationals at Miramar. In the women's section, Bhakti Kulkarni's Air India is leading with 6 points after 3 rounds. Both Goa Chess Association teams won their rounds on Tuesday against Madhya Kshetra Satranj and Gujarat State Chess Association teams.
After the end of the 4th round in the open section, Petroleum Sports Promotion Board and Tamil Nadu B teams are leading with 8 points. In the women's section, Air India is leading with 6 points after 3 rounds, followed by Petroleum Sports Promotion Board with 5 points. Prudent caught up with Air India's go-on player Bhakti Kulkarni.
Today's round was the most important round. We were playing against Airport Authority of India, and we scored 2.5 out of 4, so we won and we are very happy. And my personal score is 2.5 out of 3. Yesterday I drew, and first and third round I won.
Home tournament, all the more pressure on you feel?
No, not at all.
What do you think will be happening in the next few rounds? We foresee who's going to be on top, who's going to be down?
Okay, we are going to try our best. We won against AIX, so one more team is left, PSPB. It's a very important round. So I think we are going to play against them, I think tomorrow only. So and last time we are champions, so we'll try our best.
Meanwhile, India's number 2 chess player and PSPB Sashikaran is not happy despite his side leading the open standings.
Today was very shaky for us somehow. Okay, my game I was in some control, but I don't know. At some point, maybe I thought maybe I was having some initiative and not clearly winning, but okay, some initiative. And afterwards, okay, when I managed to get this rook and 2 pawns against bishop and knight, I thought, okay, I must be winning, because the minor pieces are not able to, take care of pawns on both wings. Yeah. Our board 5 player Deep Sengupta managed to turn the tables. Like, he was a pawn down at some point, and then he managed to turn the tables in time pressure, I believe. So it's a lucky win, but we hope to play more normally in the coming rounds. Yeah.
Both Goa Chess Association teams won their rounds on Tuesday against Madhya Kshetra Satranj and Gujarat State Association teams. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Falari from Panji.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.